Hey everybody! If you want to fix up your Wi-Fi not showing up on your Windows 11, if it's missing or no network is listed, you can follow out these steps in order to fix it. So first of all, we can make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on. We can press Windows plus A for that and ensure that it is turned on. If the Wi-Fi button is missing, you can continue out these methods. So we can restart our network adapter. We can press Windows plus R for that and type in ncpa.cpu. After that, hit enter and this opens up. Look out for your Wi-Fi network that you connected to. Back click on it and select the option for enable here. Right now it's enabled, so it's showing me disable. But if it's not enabled, you'll be finding an enable option instead. You can just go over and enable it. And if your Wi-Fi adapter is not still listed, you can check your device manager. Press Windows plus X for that and go to your device manager, hit enter, and you can expand your network adapters here. So find your network adapters, expand it up, look out for it, back click on it, and you can select the option for properties and go over and ensure that this one is enabled. You can just go over and enable it if this option is not enabled for your network adapters. And if you still do not see a wireless adapter, you can again go to your device manager, hit enter, and look out for the view option in the top. Select the option for show hidden devices and it should show you your network adapter. If it still is missing, then likely it's a driver issues instead. So you can just go over and check it out. Also, you can reset your network settings. You can open up your settings for that. Go to network and internet and click on advanced network settings there. And there, look out for this option called network reset and you can restart your PC. This should remove the saved Wi-Fi password, but probably should fix your issue. And that's it everybody. Those are probably the method for now. You can try it out and let us know. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.